Here I demonstrate how to wear the sword. Notice that the butt of the sword is even with my center line also. Edge facing up. Here I demonstrate how to hold the sword. Two hands, notice there's a gap in between. This is our first exercise, warm up. It's called a minor strike. Then I switch to the left hand. This is a major strike, holding it one-handed, striking straight down. Then two-handed, bring it all the way back and strike down. Make sure you do not hit the floor. This is your stance. Now we'll go through the different positions. Jodan, Chudan, Geidan. This is called Haso, front elbow down, Rusui, Tosui, and then back to Jodan. From the side, you'll have to remember these stances. Front elbow down on Haso. Rusui, the edge faces away from you. Tosui, you lean forward. And then back to Jodan. Here, I'm going to show you the footwork you need for the first 3 drills. It's a shuffle step and then a full step. Here, I'm going to turn, shuffle step, full step, shuffle step, full step, and then turn again. Repeat, shuffle step, full step, shuffle step, full step. Next, we'll do the drills, cutting straight down, shuffle step, full step, shuffle step, full step. Notice how far back the sword comes. These are diagonal strikes now. This is drill number 2. Very sharp diagonal strike. And then drill number 3 is a thrust. Notice how the blade is sideways. Then we'll put all 3 together. Straight down cut with a shuffle step, full step, shuffle step, full step. All the cuts are straight down. Then we turn. Now we're doing diagonal cuts. Then we're going to turn again, and we're going to deliver the thrust. Notice how the blade is sideways on these thrusts. And that's all 3 drills put together. And then, of course, we resheath over to the left side. Next, I'm demonstrating how to draw and cut. This is your first Iai Jutsu technique, or drawing and cutting. Then we will shed the blood, and then we'll resheath. Later on, I'll be showing you the details close up of what I'm doing with my hand. Right now, with your wooden bokken, just kind of go through the motions. Straight down cut, that would go to the arm. Then we step back, out to the side, shed the blood, and resheath. Bring it forward. Notice my hand pushes the butt of the sword to make sure it's fully seated. Another view here. Cut, which would go to the arm. You could also add a thrust to that, which we will do later. Shed the blood and resheath. And now I'll do it about medium speed. And there's lesson 1 for the sword. Work this at home.